For today, let's talk about the exterior angles of a polygon. We must know that the exterior angles of a polygon add up to 360, which means when you are given exterior angles, you must know that if you add them, they give you what? 360. Whatever the number of exterior angles, adding them gives you 360 degrees. Let's look at this example which says find the value of x in the diagram above. Right, find the value of x in the diagram above. In this diagram, that in the diagram we are given exterior angles or exterior angles in terms of x. So what we should know is that if we add these exterior angles, they will give us 360 degrees. So let's add them. Let's add them. Let's add them. Now, since the exterior angles add up to 360, if you add all the angles, they should give you 360 degrees. Thus, x plus 5x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x equal to 360. These are the angles we do have there. So if we add them, they give us 360. So we add them and equate the result to 360. They give us, when we add them, they give us 15x equal to 360. And we divide both sides by 15 so that x will be equal to 360 over 15. That's x equal to 24 degrees. Now we must also know this about exterior angles. If the polygon is regular, it means we can divide the total sum of angles by the number of angles to get each exterior angle, which is 360 over n. We must also know that the exterior and the interior angles together make 180 degrees. They give a straight line angle. Hence, we can calculate the interior angle by subtracting the expression for the exterior from 180. So we say interior angle is equal to 180 minus exterior, and the exterior is 360 over n. So we are saying it is equal to 180 minus 360 over what? Over n. Right, consider the expression n minus 2 in bracket 180 over n, which we know for its being the expression for the interior angle, but we want to show that it is the same as this. Thus, removing brackets from the numerator gives 180 n minus 360 over n. And partializing the fractions, we express them as partial fractions. Thus, we separate to come up with more than one fractions. Thus, this n is a common denominator, which means it is a denominator for 180n and a denominator for 360. That will give us 180n over n minus 360 over n. And when you say 180 over n, 180n over n, it means n and n will cancel off. We are left with 180 minus 360 over n, which we said we can get by subtracting the exterior from 180. Right. We must also know that the number of sides, therefore, is equal to 360 over exterior angle. Because the exterior angles, if it is a regular polygon, the exterior angles are all equal to each other. So if we want to find n, we just divide 360 by the exterior angle, which is equal to 360 over 180 minus interior. Which means, suppose you are given the interior angle, you just say the exterior, the number of sides is equal to 360 over 180 minus that given interior angle. That will give us 360 over exterior angle. So with this information, I believe you can do the work I will give. Go to exercise 5C and do all the work in exercise 5C. Book 3. Book 3, exercise 5C, number 1 to 5. Is it to 5? Yes, number 1 to 5. Book 3, exercise 5C, number 1 to 5. Do all the work there.